Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in a Mercedes E400 2016 4MATIC. That's how the unit look like after installation, and you can see how the bracket fits. It's perfectly fine, no gap in there. And right now I'm doing wireless CarPlay with my iPhone, and I can use the touchscreen. I can go to Google Maps. Everything works perfectly fine, super smooth. And I can go to the aftermarket Android side. I can use the command by going to NTG mode. It goes to the factory NTG5. A lot of customers, they're asking if the factory side for the NTG can stretch all the way as a full screen. No, it can't. Then the word's gonna stretch. So at this side you can see some information like the clock or the kilometers, or the car with the car information like door open, door closed. And if the car comes with factory camera, it retains all the cameras. Right now this Mercedes comes with 360 camera. By touching the screen we can go to the aftermarket mode, and I show you the Apple CarPlay. Also our unit can do Android Auto too, so you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. You can change the logo to Mercedes if you want. Right now I'm just using the default one. And you can see the dash. It shows the RPM, and also it shows the speed. The screen resolution is 1920, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of hard. You can download any offline maps on the unit as well. If you don't want to use your data, you can go off screen, on screen, and also you can play video even while you drive. The way that the sound works, you have to go to factory NTG, and then you have to choose the media. The media one, it says USB aux. Choose that, touch the screen, go to apps, click on video.
Just when you didn't think it could get any better, huh? Here we go.
The way that we get the sound is through special USB that it comes with our unit. It plugs in to either of the USBs inside the armrest, and it picks up the sound through auxiliary. It technically activates the aux in these vehicles that they don't come with auxiliary.
Hell yeah! Oh shit! Oh, come on!
you're interested to get this type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.